everyone, Scott Gibbons. I'm here at Bold TCRC at their brand new and fabulous premises in Miranda. They service caravans and trailers from all over. I mean all over. Now I've brought my van in here. The team from Bold TCRC will come out, they'll then assess the caravan. They then take some photographs of it so that you know that when you pick up your vehicle, your trailer, your caravan, that there's no extra damage on it. That's a lovely bit of service. So when you come into Bold TCRC, you don't even have to worry about hitching or unhitching. They do it for you. So Christian's over here. He's now going to put the jockey wheel on, bring the forklift out, take the caravan away. I'll sign to say what I want done, and then happy days. They'll do all the work for me. And if you don't need to use the van facilities and you're just coming in for spare parts, then you've got your own car parking area. Bold TCRC at Miranda. They're brand new premises with easy access. Easy drive-in access. Oh, so good. Bold TCRC.com.au.